So this is case number 315392. People versus Tisha Ann Preston. Defendant is charged no valid operator's license in immediate possession. And then on 12513-229, driving while license not valid, which is a state case. And then the city attorney is recommending dismissal of counts 1 and 2 on 10589-610, a no op and a no insurance. And good morning, counsel. Your appearance for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Linda Perkins Moore, excuse me, P36136, appearing on behalf of Ms. Preston, who wishes to avail herself of the recommendation.
So, Ms. Preston, you understand if I accept your plea today, you are giving up the right to have a trial, either by judge or jury?
Yes, ma'am.
Understand you're giving up a number of rights associated with trial.
Yes, ma'am.
Has anybody promised you anything to make you plead today that I don't know about?
No, ma'am.
Anyone threaten you in any way?
No, ma'am.
So on or about April 11th of 2017 at about 4:30 p.m., were you at Linwood, Chicago in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
Were you operating a motor vehicle that day?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you have a valid driver's license in your immediate possession?
No, ma'am.
Accept the defendant's plea to failure to display. On the tickets I'm dismissing, would she stip to probable cause?
Stipulated, Your Honor.
So, anything before sentencing?
Nothing, Your Honor.
Are you working, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. I'm employed.
Pardon me?
Yes, ma'am. I'm employed.
So I did waive the warrant fees on the matters that I dismissed, and on this one I took your plea on. That's $50 a ticket. The ones I dismissed, you're gonna owe $45 reinstatement fees. There's nothing I'm gonna do about those. On the failure to display, it's gonna be $245 plus a $45 reinstatement fee, or $290. Are you able to pay that this morning?
Yes, ma'am.
So no warrant to issue as a result of failure to pay the 3 dismissed cases, the reinstatement fees. That's going to be $135. So in total, if you pay everything you owe, as far as I can tell, it would be $425. So the court's not open for payments here, but you can either go to our website, which is 36thdistrictcourt.org. And when you open up that web page, on the left-hand side, it's going to say, I want to, and one of the things it's going to say is make a payment. Or the court is a party to the DIVDAT, that's D-I-V-D-A-T kiosk system. And those are located throughout the metropolitan area. And so you could make payments at the kiosk. The kiosk accepts cash as well as debit or credit cards. And if you go to their website, you can find out the different locations. Do you have any questions, ma'am?
Yeah, just one question. So when I go on the div that it'll pop up automatically what I owe and I can just go ahead and pay it.
Okay, so when you go on DivDat, it'll bring up the tickets you owe. I don't think it totals them. I think it just has the individual tickets.
Okay.
All right, do you have any other questions, or I'm gonna end our call?
No, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay,
you.
get your driver's license, ma'am.
I will. Thank you so much, y'all. Y'all have a great day.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
So we have an interpreter for Mr. Rodrigo Perez. And Mr. Perez has a driving while license not valid and a no insurance. And accident failure to caution, to carry caution. Is there an option on this one?
¿Qué quieren que prenda este video?
Señor, this is Maria Cox, I'm Spanish interpreter.
Pero no me mire ya.
Señor Pérez, yo soy la intérprete de hoy. ¿Me oye?
Sí,
So,
le oigo. Buenos días.
Bueno,
Ms.
good morning.
We're not